Understanding war machine in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, war machine. This phrase can be quite intriguing, especially in different contexts. So, let's break it down and understand it better. The term, war machine, originally refers to the literal machinery used in warfare. This includes tanks, battleships, fighter jets, and all sorts of military hardware. These are the physical tools that constitute the arsenal of a military force. It's important to understand this basic meaning to grasp the broader uses of the phrase. Interestingly, war machine is often used metaphorically. In this sense, it doesn't just mean physical machinery but can refer to an entire military system or organization. It implies a powerful, often overwhelming force. This can be a country's military, but it can also refer to any large, organized group that operates with machine-like efficiency and force, especially in a context of conflict or competition. Let's see some examples to understand it better. 1. Historical context. During World War II, the Nazi war machine was a major force in Europe. Here, it refers to the entire military apparatus of Nazi Germany. 2. Metaphorical usage. The company's legal team is a well-oiled war machine, ready to defend its patents. In this case, war machine metaphorically describes a powerful and efficient legal team. For English learners, it's crucial to pay attention to the context in which war machine is used. Is it talking about actual military equipment? Or is it describing an organization or effort with similar characteristics of power and efficiency? Context will usually make this clear. I hope this video has shed light on the phrase, war machine, and its various uses in English. Remember, understanding phrases like this can add depth to your language skills and help you appreciate the nuances of English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.